Hello friends, welcome back. In today's lecture, I am Dr. Milind Meshram, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Chemistry, KTHM College, Nashik. In the previous lecture, we have discussed the aromatic character. In today's lecture, I am going to talk about the structure of benzene. So, structure of benzene. Benzene is known since 1825. Benzene is known since 1825, and first time the Michael Faraday had identified and isolated the benzene. Okay, in 1825, first time Michael Faraday had isolated and identified the benzene. All right. So benzene is having the molecular formula, that is, it is having a molecular formula C6H6. So that means 6 carbon atoms and 6 hydrogen atoms. So benzene is having the molecular formula C6H6. So it contains 6 carbon atoms and 6 hydrogen atoms. So question was arises. So how does these atoms are arranged? Okay. So question was arises. So how these atoms are arranged? So later on, in 1858, is August Kekul had proposed that the carbon atom can be joined to one another to form a chain. Okay. After having this molecular formula C6H6, later in 1858, the scientist August Kekul had proposed that the carbon atom can be joined to form a chain. Okay. Later Later in 1865, he had explained that the carbon chain which he had proposed, that carbon chain can be formed by joining the carbon atoms. So, the carbon chain can be closed by forming a ring. Okay. So that means in 1865, finally he had explained how this chain can be closed by forming a ring. So there are several structures had been proposed. So many scientists have proposed the various structures for the benzene. So we will see those structures. So in 1865, the August Kekulé has proposed the structure for benzene. In which the structure is having 3 double bonds, and those bonds are in conjugation. This planar structure, this is the Kekulé structure in 1865. Then this is the Claus in 1867. Then Dewar in 1867, we can call it as Dewar benzene. Then okay, this is Ladenburg in 1869. Later on, this is Armstrong in 1887, and finally this is Thiele, or you can draw this way also. This is Thiele. This is 1899. Okay. These structures can be drawn for this benzene molecule. So several scientists have proposed this structure for the benzene. So beside these structures, there are several many other structures, That is possible for the molecular formula C6H6. Okay. So, we can see those structure as well. So, first of all we will take this Kekulé structure CH this is Kekulé formula. Structure 1, then we have this Dewar, this is Dewar formula. Structure 2, then we have this structure 3, structure 4, I will write here. This is structure 5. So, beside these structures, we can have these other structure as well for the benzene molecule. Among this structure, the Kekulé structure 1 has been accepted, and however, these Thiele structures can also be used. When you consider this molecule benzene can yield monosubstituted product. Okay? When you do a bromination of this so there are several evidences to prove this benzene structure. So, we will see one by one. So, generally benzene can yield monosubstituted product. Substituted product. You can write H5X for example. So, when you do the bromination, you can get the bromobenzene. On bromination, only bromobenzene can be obtained. Okay, and chlorination, on chlorination, only chlorobenzene, only chlorobenzene can be obtained. Similarly, on nitration, only nitrobenzene can be obtained. That means in all these cases only one hydrogen can be replaced. In bromination case, only one hydrogen can be replaced with bromide. Okay, so it indicates, based on these facts, the only mono substitution can occur in the benzene molecules. So that means this structure 5 can be rejected. Okay, so these reactions are happening because the all hydrogens present in the benzene molecules are equivalent. So in this structure there are no any equivalent hydrogen atoms. That's why this structure must be rejected. So similarly, in structure 2 and 3 there are options of equivalent hydrogens. So that means these two structure must be rejected. So only two possible structures are available for the benzene molecules, structure 1 and structure 4. So in all these reactions it indicates that there are presence of equivalent hydrogens in the structure. Okay, so by considering this fact, the structure 5 must be rejected because this structure would yield two isomeric product. One is 1 bromo compound and 2 bromo compound. So only two possible structures are available, structure 1 and structure 4. So benzene can yield 3 disubstituted product also. So let's see. Benzene yields 3 disubstituted isomeric product okay. So let's have so formula C6H12 XY, X2 or C6H4 XY. Okay. So benzene can yield 3 disubstituted isomeric products. Three isomeric dibromo benzene or dichloro benzene. So let's have an example. So we will take dibromobenzene. So we will have 1,2 dibromo benzene second isomer is 1,3 dibromo benzene and last one is 1,4 dibromo benzene. Okay. So benzene yields 3 isomeric disubstituted products. Okay. 1,2 dibromobenzene, 1,3 dibromobenzene and 1,4 dibromobenzene. So that means, so based on these facts, the structure 4 should be rejected. Okay. As benzene can yield 3 disubstituted isomeric products, so this structure must be rejected. So later on, if further, if you look at the structure 1, that is Kekulé formula, these two possible structure for the 1,2 dibromobenzene. Okay. So let's have those structures. Okay, this one we can call 6 and this is 7. So when you look at this Kekulé structure 1, you will observe, so there can be 2 possible structure for the 1,2 dibromobenzene. Okay, this is the 1,2 dibromo benzene. So further, Kekulé has proposed the structure are in equilibrium, so they cannot be separated. So these structures are these structures 6 and 7 are in equilibrium and cannot be separated. Based on these facts, the structure 1 is found to be the correct structure for the benzene. However, the Thiele structure are also used. So this is all about the structure of benzene. The next lecture we will see the stability of benzene. Thank you. Thank you very much.